Greetings everyone. This is SRI ROSHINI Nakka, legal intern at Law Minds. The topic for today's video is legal implications of blockchain technology. To begin with, the introduction, blockchain technology, hailed as a transformative force across industries, is not only shaping business models but also challenging industrial legal frameworks. Its decentralized nature, immutability, and transparency present a myriad of legal implications that demand careful considerations. The modern world is evolving at the breakneck speed, with new technology arriving daily with the goal of making people's lives better. Among these innovations is the blockchain technology. When used, is anticipated to significantly advance the growth of numerous areas of human activity. This is by no means an exhaustive list of potential applications for progressive technology. What is blockchain technology? A decentralized or distributed electronic ledger of consistent and dependable data is known as blockchain. Cryptographic techniques are the primary features of which is to create block transactions and record data about each transaction. The blockchain software is used to synchronize data that is disseminated among peers on all of the computers or servers that are part of specific network. This makes it possible to have numerous identical data records. What is the legal implication? Firstly, smart contracts, redefining contractual relationships. A computer protocol designed to digitally facilitate, verify, or enforce contract negotiation or perform is the common definition. Blockchain-based smart contracts can beat humans in arithmetic, memory, speed, and logical processing, despite frequently being criticized for not being smart. Additionally, they are criticized for not being contracts. However, this criticism stems from an incorrect definition of what a contract is. An abstract agreement between people that establish a legal relationship is a contract. Although the contract can be written down and represented verbally, it can be an intangible that may differ from the terms used by the parties to record it and may have legal restrictions on its enforcement. This critique is equivalent to claiming that a piece of paper isn't a contract because it can never be one, even though it might be the most helpful and accurate depiction of one's at the forefront of blockchain legal implications are smart contracts, self-executing agreements coded into blockchain networks. While offering efficiency and automation, smart contracts arise questions about their enforceability and interpretation under existing contract law. Contracts may need to adapt to this paradigm shift, determining how traditional legal principles apply to course-based agreements, moreover ensuring the accuracy, security. Now, the regulatory compliance, navigating a complex regulatory landscape. Blockchain applications must navigate of regulatory requirements spanning financial regulations, data protection laws, securities regulations, and anti-money laundering provisions. The decentralized and borderless nature of blockchain transactions complicates compliance efforts, necessitating collaboration between blockchain developers. Digital identity management, balancing privacy and security. One of the main concerns for blockchain users is data privacy, data protection, which is a popular topic, which is in charge of safeguarding personal data stored in a blockchain and adhering to international and national laws, including the General Data Protection Regulations of the European Union. Data export outside of the original territory is the first problem with smart contracts because they rely on distributed ledger technology. With a few exceptions, the GDPR and the UK Data Protection Act 2018 severely limit data transfers outside the European Economic Area. The degree of encryption and control with the validator is one technique to deal with this. Now, when properly configured, data transmitted outside of the EEA can be anonymous or encrypted to ensure that no personal stays in it, or the private information within it cannot be accessed or applied. Thus, this kind of strategy would satisfy the requirements needed to transfer personal information beyond the EEA. Blockchain's potential to revolutionize digital identity management brings both promise and challenges. While enhancing security and trust through immutable identity records, blockchain also raises concerns about privacy, consent, and data ownership. Striking a balance between privacy rights and identity verification is essentially particularly in the context of evolving data protection laws such as GDPR. intellectual property rights involving within legal boundaries. Blockchain's decentralized ledger and smart contract capabilities offer new avenues for managing and enforcing intellectual property rights. However, legal complexities arise concerning the ownership, licensing, and infringement of IP assets on blockchain networks. Timestamping and provenance tracking can bolster IP protection, yet challenges persist in determining the legal status of blockchain-based creation and resolving disputes. Now, jurisdictional challenges resolving cross-border disputes. Blockchain networks are often global, which can make it difficult to determine which jurisdictions apply to a particular transaction. This can create legal uncertainty for businesses. So the borderless nature of blockchain transactions poses such problems. Determining applicable law, jurisdiction, and dispute resolution mechanisms becomes complex, necessitating international cooperation and legal harmonization efforts. Moreover, governance structures within blockchain networks raise a lot of questions. Now, token offerings and securities regulation, navigating regulatory uncertainty. The rise of initial coin offerings and token sales have sparked regulatory scrutiny worldwide as regulators grapple with classifying global blockchain tokens under existing security laws. Regulations are tasked with striking a balance between fostering blockchain innovations and safeguarding investor interests, while industry stakeholders seek clarity and certainty in regulatory frameworks, like the registration, disclosure, and investor protection requirements. Now, consumer protection, safeguarding rights in decentralized ecosystems. Ensuring consumer protection in blockchain ecosystems requires robust mechanisms for transparency, security, and dispute resolution. Smart contracts must be designed to protect users from exploitation and ensure fair and equitable outcomes. Moreover, blockchain projects must adhere to consumer protection laws, providing accurate information, safeguarding funds, and addressing security vulnerabilities. Collaborative efforts between industry participants, regulators, and consumers advocates are essential to establish trust. Now, decentralized autonomous organizations or DAOs are essentially digital organizations that function online by enforcing pre-programmed rules. These entities are used to carry out smart contracts and log events on the blockchain. They frequently require little to no input to function. The purpose of contemporary legal systems is to facilitate participation by both organizations and real persons. The majority of legal systems achieve this by granting organizations some of the same legal rights as actual people, such as the ability to sign contracts, file lawsuits, and be sued. Or this straightforward partnership, corporations, or other legal entities, or something else entirely, is to be recognized and discussed. To continue, since the management of DAO is done automatically, legal systems could have to be determined who is accountable for breaking the law. What liability does DAOs and their creators have, if any, in the legal dispute? Who or what is being disputed? It is improbable that courts and regulators will permit the widespread deployment of technology that circumvents existing oversight. These are the DAOs. Coming to the conclusion of the video, blockchain technology presents a transformative opportunity to revolutionize industries, enhance transparency, and streamline processes. However, its legal implications are vast and multifaceted, requiring innovative approaches to address emerging challenges. Collaboration between legal experts, regulators, technologists, and industry stakeholders is essential to develop legal frameworks that foster innovation while ensuring compliance, security, and consumer protection. As blockchain continues to evolve, navigating the legal landscape will be paramount to unlock its full potential. And the legal implications of blockchain technology extend across various domains, from contract law and regulatory compliance to intellectual property, consumer protection. Addressing these implications requires a collaborative and interdisciplinary approach, combining legal expertise with technological innovations to develop adaptive frameworks that balance innovation incentives with legal safeguards. As blockchain technology continues to reshape industries and economies, navigating the legal landscape will be essential to harness its transformative potential responsibly. That's for the video. Thank you.